Evidences of the name of the creator of heavens and earth and their scriptural, archaeological, and scientific evidence. Una-una na to, ang una ay scriptural, perfected praise, according to Matthew chapters 21 verse 16, og sila mingon kaniya, nakabati ka ba sa ilang ginaingon, og siya siya mitubag. Oo, og wala bagid kamo makabasa ni ini, gikan sa baba og sa mga gagmay, bata og sa mga masuso, gihatod mo ang nahingpit nga pagdayeg. Paano makapagdayeg ang isa ka bata that they could not know how to talk? Hindi pa siya makapagsalita. But the highest form of worship is to call His sacred name. Ang ibig sabihin, ang uha-uha iya is to call the name of the Father. According to Matthew 21:16, uha-uha is a perfected praise. Here is a confirmation in Hebrew 13:15 or Abrim. O pinagi kaniya himuuntas kanunay ang halad sa pagdayeg nga ngadto sa aluwa. Sa ato pa sa bunga sa mga ngabil nga nagaila sa iyang ngalan. Sa Pilipinas ang bata pagmugawas oha iya. Sa Germany the same oha iya. India oha iya. Japan oha iya. Bakit ganon? Iba-iba ang mga dialect, iba-iba ang lingwahe. Pero pag gawa sa bata, iisa lang ang ihang sinasabi, kung hindi ang oha. Because this is what we call the highest form of worship is to call His set-apart name. Okay, our evidence, scriptural significance, Genesis chapter 2 verse 7, allow us breath, life into Adam. Psalms 104:29-30, Yah's breath, sustain life. Ezekiel chapter 37 verse 5-6, divine breath, revive Yisrael. Spiritual implication, divine life force, sacred breath, and vital energy. Hebrew breakdown, strong exhaustive concordance number 1899, oha is breath, sig or exhalation. Psalms 118 verse 25 and Ezekiel chapter 4 verse 9. Strong exhaustive concordance number 3050, Yah or Yahweh is life, vitality or divine essence. Exodus chapter 3 verse 14-15. In Psalms chapter 68 verse 4. Symbolic connection, breath oha plus life, Yah, divine, Kadash, breath of life, representing Aloha's vital energy and creative power. Sources, Gesenius, Hebrew English Lexicon, Brown Driver Briggs, Hebrew English Lexicon, the Hebrew and Aramaic Lexicon of the Old Testament, Kohler Baumgartner. Biblical scholar indeed interpret Yahweh as definition, breath of life or life breath. Gesenius, Brown Driver Briggs. Number 2, vital breath or living breath, Strong's. Number 3, spirit or ruach or izen, Kohler Baumgartner. Concordances, strong exhaustive, 3050 Yahweh, Brown Driver Briggs Yahweh, Gesenius Yahweh, Kohler Baumgartner Yahweh, biblical references, Genesis chapter 2 verse 7, Yahweh, breath of life, Psalms 104:29-30, Yahweh, vital breath, Ezekiel chapter 37 verse 5-6, Yahweh, spirit or ruach, Hebrew root, Yah, to breathe or to live, Hawa, to be or exist. Scholarly support, Gesenius Hebrew English Lexicon, 1910. Brown Driver Briggs Hebrew English Lexicon, 1906. Number 3, the Hebrew and Aramaic Lexicon of the Old Testament, Kohler Baumgartner, 1994. Implication, connection to divine life force, symbolism of Aloha's breath, sustaining life, ancient Hebrew understanding of vital energy. Oha is breath. Owi Hei Alafei, strong exhaustive concordance, 1899, Oha, James Strong Hebrew and Aramaic Dictionary. Yad He means life, strong exhaustive concordance, 2416, Haya or Yah, Brown Driver Briggs Hebrew English Lexicon. Yad He Owi, breath of life, Yahweh is breath of life, strong exhaustive concordance, number 3050. According to Brown Driver Briggs Hebrew English Lexicon. Another confirmation for the set apart name, Matthew 11:25. Og sa maong panahon sa Yao siya mingon, nagpasalamat ako kanimo amahang Yaowa sa langit ug sa yuta, nga kining mga butanga gililong mo sa mga makinadmanon og sa mga masinabuton og ipadayag mo hinuon ngadto sa mga gagmay bata. Set apart name revealed to Moshe, and alone said unto Moshe, I am that I am, Haya Asher Haya. And he said, thus shall you say unto the children of Yisrael, I am Haya, has sent me unto you. Shamot, Exodus 33 verse 14. Strong exhaustive, number 1961. Hey Yadhe, Haya, behold the arm, behold, who has believed our report, and to whom is the arm of Yahuwah revealed. Isaiah chapter 53 verse 1. Sila!